And let me introduce Scrubber 75, one of the highest high performance automatic scrubbers in the market right now. This machine is able to cover 36,000 square feet per hour, and is specifically designed, this model, to actually work in parking lots. This is the first model that we are deploying here in the United States for parking lots, and it is working beautiful. So these are the tests after have deployed, and it's working fantastic. The machine is able to clean, deep cleaning and scrubbing, and have an autonomy of 8 hours, and it will charge in 6. If you want more information about the Scrubber 75, contact us at To Do Robotics. Visit us at todorobotics.com. Thank you.